Brutus, give the kitty some love. Oh, good boy. Give kisses. Oh. Athena. Hey, Brutus. Brutus, Brutus. Come say hi to Athena. Say hi, Cleo. Cleo, what you doing? What you doing, pretty girl? Huh? Who's a good girl? Who's a pretty girl? Rah, 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 rah. Oh. Cleo. Oh. Want to show him your singing voice? La. Ready? La. 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 Come on. Say la. 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 Come on, Cleo. La. La. Hey, what's your problem? Huh? Bar. Huh? What's your problem, Cleo? What's your problem? Huh? What's your problem, Cleo? Huh? Pretty bird. Yeah? Who's a pretty girl? Huh? Pretty girl, Cleo. Cleo? What are you doing? Yeah. Am I a good girl?
Why?
Huh?
All those are foul, man. Great.
Yeah. All right, Cleo. Cleo. All right, pretty girl. Cleo. Oh. Yeah. Coochie coo. Say coochie coo. Yeah. Pretty girl. You want me to scratch your head? Ready, Cleo? Come here. Say, good girl. Good girl. Give me a kiss. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah. You want to get down? Bye, Cleo. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later. Bye, Cleo.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Athena. Look at that face. You getting jealous, Brutus? Huh? Is that your girlfriend? Who's a good boy, Brutus? You give me a kiss?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss, Brutus.
The fat lady hasn't sang yet, man.
Can the kitty pet you? See Athena's big boobs?
I think for Oklahoma City, they've been one of the surprises of the league this season. I mean, not too many people expected them to be in the position they're in right now.
Well, the potential was there from the beginning, and there's plenty of talent on this roster.
Athena.
They really weren't expected to have
Athena.
that to their advantage. They were able to kind of
And pet Brutus? Brutus is a good boy.
This game off a very simple play. That's 3 turnovers already.
Oh my God.
Good boy, Brutus.
This could be a really long night. So now it's twice we've seen the offense collapse. That's back-to-back empty trips because of turnovers.
Nope.
and that's going to be a problem because now all of a sudden
Go sit with Athena. Go.
Let's go. He hasn't sang yet, Johnny.
Windmill dunk to turn this place on its head. I love it. Oh, it's done, and they should be. Kevin, that was one elaborate finish.
and Wade sends it in. And you have to like the way they started out offensively.
Yeah, I like the way they put together basket after basket, consecutive hoops, and as a result, they put together a nice lead here.
Perkins pushes the Durant.
Athena loves the heat. What are you doing, Athena? Where's your laser pen? Daddy lost your laser pen? Hi, Athena. Athena. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, Athena. 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 You roll over? Hi, Mama. Hi.
I missed that, Mohammed.
You play with your tail? Who got your tail?
Good ball, man.
Mommy got your tail. Rrr. She has no clue it's her tail. Who got your tail? Who got your tail? Who got your tail?
Ooh, they put the fucking move on me. My nigga put the move on me, nigga. Get the fuck out of here just for that move. Yo. Oh my God. Yeah, did you not see that shit? I didn't see it. Yo, if you made that Johnny, that should have been crazy. My nigga had back me down. He did one of those. That shit was crazy. And you jumped? Yo, son, I jumped to the left. He went
Loves
right.
her chin scratched. Now she's gonna bite me and kick me. Oh!
I like that. He ain't doing that again, though.
Ow!
And
Ow!
one.
Ow!
That was a bunch of shots on me. Yeah, I still haven't figured out the Euro stat, man.
That's what he does. I mean, he excels at getting to the rim.
Let's go. We here, Johnny.
Tina.
Come up inside there, Kevin. I mean, the defense has been vulnerable in there. Yeah, that's straight field goals in the area. That's really good offense.
Athena.